Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent 70 riders under the command of my maternal uncle, to wit the brother of my mother, Sulaim. The chief of the polytheists, Amir bin Tufail, forwarded 3 conditions before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to choose one of them. He said, 1. You have rule over the rural areas and I have over the urban areas. Or 2. I must be a caliph after you. Or 3. I will take you along with 2,000 riders of Banu Ghatfan. Then Amir contracted plague in the house of so-and-so. And he said, a tumor like a camel's in the house of so-and-so. Woman, it is a matter of shame. Has grown, bring me my horse. So he died on the back of the horse. So my maternal uncle Hazrat Haram bin Milhan, the brother of Sulaim, took a lame and another man belonging to Banu so-and-so along with him and went towards the infidels and said to his companions, if they give me refuge, you should come close to me, but if they kill me, you should return to your companions. So he said, do you give me protection so that I may convey you the message of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam? So he started conveying the message, and they meanwhile beckoned to a man who thrusted at him with a spear at the back. Hammam, the transmitter, says that he thinks Ishaq bin Abdullah has said, then that spear pierced through his body. He radiyallahu anhu said, Allah is the greatest. By the Lord of the Kaaba, I have stood successful. Then they pounced upon his companions and murdered all except the lame, who had ascended the mountain. Thereafter Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent down a verse which was revoked later, that is, undoubtedly they had made their Lord. So he is pleased with them and they are pleased with him. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam invoked destruction on the Ril, Dakwan, Banu Lihyan and Usayya tribes for 30 days in the morning prayer, as they had disobeyed Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4091.